Well, there was just a massive Uber and Lyft strike that I wanted to talk about, and it's over pay. So I don't know if you guys know this, but minimum wage is getting raised to $20 an hour for fast food workers. And so a lot of people are saying, well, Uber and Lyft drivers should get paid a whole lot more. So there was just a massive strike, and this got massive media coverage. One of the biggest media coverages I've seen. It's on the Washington Post. So we're gonna talk about that. Before I do, I wanna let you guys know about an awesome opportunity to make extra money, a great side hustle, super easy to get started. It's called TikTok Shop. If you haven't heard about TikTok Shop yet, you must have been sleeping under a rock, or you just don't go on your phone that much, because if you go on TikTok, or you just don't have TikTok, if you go on TikTok, you can literally just scroll and you'll see people promoting products, and guess what? They're making money. There's money to be made. Obviously, people are also buying products too, so they're spending money. But if you can set up your own TikTok shop and start selling products, it's called drop shipping. You don't need to like buy inventory and ship them out. Like, they get shipped out for you. I made, my friends, you will not believe this, over $1,000 yesterday. I couldn't believe my eyes. The orders just kept coming in. I got over 30 orders, 37 to be exact, orders yesterday. It's crazy. And it's pretty simple to set up. I'm actually teaching like 3 of my close friends to set up their own shops too. I have one of my friends coming over on Thursday, and we're gonna sit down and I'm gonna help her set up her own shop. And I have another friend too who's probably coming over later this week, and I'm also setting up their shop too. Just because I'm like, I love when my friends also are successful. That's how also I learn too from my friends. Anyways, I created like a community, I guess, where number one, I make a video about how to set it up too. It's like a 45-minute long video. It's kind of, I try to really explain everything in one single tutorial on how to set up your TikTok shop and start making money. There's no startup costs to start selling on TikTok, which is the best part. And again, there's no inventory you need to buy. It's all free to sign up. You just got to use your phone. And anyways, and then we'll also have a group chat where we interact with each other. So you can join the community, link below. And the first 100 people who sign up, free trial, try it out. You don't like it, get out of there. I mean, no pressure. So link below to that. Otherwise, let's talk about this. Uber Lyft drivers had a massive strike on Valentine's Day. I don't know how I did not hear about this. Again, this was 2 months ago, but I'm catching up because I haven't made Uber videos in a while. But listen to this. Thousands of drivers this past Valentine's Day for rideshare platforms like Uber and Lyft, as well as DoorDash drivers, striked what organized said would be the largest nationwide protest action to date against the gig economy giants. Strikes lasting 24 hours on Valentine's Day, a busy day for the apps, where it was planned in 17 cities, including LA, Chicago, San Francisco, Washington, Philadelphia, Orlando, according to 2 rideshare labor organizations. Drivers say Uber and Lyft are taking an increasingly large cut out of fares, forcing drivers to work longer hours to make ends meet. Well, listen, if you're an Uber driver and a Lyft driver and you're upset about pay, you're gonna get even more upset because Tesla is launching their own ride-sharing platform in 3 months. Good luck with that, because you know what I think? Elon Musk has so much money. He's the richest man in the world. He obviously funds his new projects with his old projects like Tesla and his own money. He sells Tesla stock and Twitter, and he's got billions of dollars at his disposal. And he just does these things for fun. He's competing with Uber and Lyft. Who do you think's gonna win? Tesla or Uber and Lyft? Who everybody hates, by the way. Drivers are going on strike around the nation because the pay's not fair. It's like, and pastors hate Uber and Lyft because it's so dang expensive now. Oh, you gotta go. I mean, if I live in a really small town, and to take an Uber across town, it's like 20 bucks. Where it's like, a few years ago, that would have been like a $3 ride with Uber Pool, and now it's 20? Yeah, no thank you, okay? That's one way, and I wanna go across town and back. Yeah, I'm paying 40, 50 bucks. Tesla, so here's my theory, guys, with Tesla. I think Elon Musk, he's gonna release Tesla ride sharing app. And I think for like 6 months, he's probably gonna do either free rides or like completely like 80% off rides just to like steal all the market, because he can do that. I think he's probably gonna do like free rides for like the first 6 months just so people are like, heck yeah, I'm gonna order a Tesla. And it's gonna be the full self-driving, but I believe they're gonna, if Elon's smart, which I know he is, he's gonna have a supervised driver in the car, so that way you don't feel like it's self-driving, you just have a person in there. But sooner or later, the people are gonna be gone once they get, once people get comfortable with it, probably after a year or two, they're gonna start phasing that out. And then you can probably, and I'm guessing you're gonna be able to request a driverless car with a driver or a driverless car without a driver. And the one without the driver will be a lot cheaper. So I think they're literally gonna do like super cheap rides where you maybe pay like $1 per mile as the passenger, or like 50 cents per mile, 25 cents per mile, where you can go to the airport for like 15 bucks. I just think that that's what he's gonna do, and I think it's gonna completely destroy Uber and Lyft, because it's the first major competitor since Uber and Lyft started, and nobody likes Uber and Lyft. Like, literally, people do not like Uber and Lyft. So I don't know, that's just my theory. But yeah, this strike happened. It just goes to show that people are upset, and that it very well could be the end of Uber and Lyft, because it's been years and there's been strikes every single year I've seen, and they just happened again, a nationwide one. This seems like one of the biggest ones ever, and I don't know, it could very well be the end. So if you have quit Uber and Lyft, or you're thinking about quitting Uber and Lyft, or you just sort of looking for a side hustle, check out TikTok Shop. Try it out. It's beyond my understanding. I don't even really understand how I'm getting so many sales. What I'm thinking is that TikTok is recommending my products next to other like more successful stores. So when people are shopping, like TikTok is turning into a shopping app now for people who are just scrolling and they're like, oh, I want to buy that, I want to buy this, I want to buy that, add to cart. And I think people are finding my products through other people. And again, I've only been doing this for like 3-4 weeks now. And as soon as I started making videos, I started getting sales like almost immediately. So I'm like running with it. And again, just so you guys can see, I made $1,000 yesterday. Absolutely crazy on an account that has 53 followers, and I haven't shown my face once on the account. Like, I haven't even done my voice. It's just, there's no voices on the page. It's just little sounds, and we're promoting products. It's crazy. So anyways, guys, if you wanna learn how to do that, I have a link below where you can join the community. Again, get that free trial if you're one of the first 100 members, and then learn how to do it. So, and if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. And let me know what you think about this Uber Lyft driver strike, and if you think Tesla is really actually gonna take over. Thanks for watching, guys. Talk soon.